everybody, welcome to my video today. I want to share with you what my Blessed2Craft Make and Take Packet includes this month. You can sign up to get this below. There is a link. You click and fill out that form, and then I will contact you by email with an invoice. The Blessed2Craft monthly make and take packet is $25. You get projects, you get some supplies, you get some fun goodies, and then there is also a printed PDF that comes with the project, and then I make the projects live on my Facebook page at the very end of the month. But if you're not on Facebook, that's okay, because you get the videos sent to you via email. So let me walk you through what you get for the Blessed2Craft monthly make and take packet. This month you will get to make two projects. We'll be making this card and this little goodie treat pillow box. It's super cute. You will get the pieces to make your card. You will get a white envelope to put that in. You will get some of this paper. So these are all of the ones that you get. You will get two pillow boxes, craft polka dot pillow boxes. You will get both of these twines and then these sequins. And then in your packet to make your card, you will get some of these little guys here. They're super cute. These are the little felt pom-poms, and that will go on your card. So you can join by simply filling out the form below and signing up to get that. Your packets will ship out and you will have your items hopefully in time to make the project live with me. That's the whole idea of the make and take packet, is that you can get the product, you can make it live with me when I do the live at the very end of the month, or you can do it in the video when you get the video. You will get a link for the PDF, and then you will also get a printed PDF in your package. If you have any questions, please let me know. This is something brand new that I am trying and loving. I love the idea of us being able to come together and make these projects together, you being able to make what I'm making. I love that. So thank you so much for tuning into my video today. I hope that you are enjoying your week and that you will join me with the Blessed2Craft Make and Take Packet for the month of February. Have a great day, guys, and I'll be back again to share with you later this week. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are two other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.